Swimmers need to be extra careful about their nutrition habits as they are constantly expending energy and need to recover quickly. Nutrition is critical for energy, recovery, hydration, and weight maintenance. Swimmers who do not get enough nutrients are more prone to sickness and find it difficult to recover between races and practices. Swimmers need to develop incredible nutrition habits in order to perform their best. Hydration. It is essential that swimmers stay properly hydrated, both during and after practices and competitions. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, cramping, and other impairments in performance. Swimmers should drink a lot of water throughout the day and replace electrolytes lost through sweat with sports drinks or other electrolyte-rich foods like coconut water or bananas. Energy. Swimmers need adequate energy in the form of calories to fuel their training and racing. A well-balanced diet that includes complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fruits and vegetables will help swimmers meet their energy needs. Swimmers should also eat before and after practices and events to prevent tiredness and maintain blood sugar levels. Recovery. Swimmers should eat a nutritious diet to aid in the recovery from strenuous exercise and competition. Swimmers should consume a mix of carbohydrates and protein within 30 minutes of finishing their activity in order to speed up the healing process. Foods such as chocolate milk, yogurt, whole grain bread, or fruit smoothies make excellent post-workout snacks. Body weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for both athletic performance and general health. Swimmers who are either too heavy or too light may not perform as well as those who are at a healthy weight for their height and physique type. Swimmers should work with a registered dietitian to determine an ideal weight range and then focus on eating a balanced diet that helps them reach and maintain that weight. Get water fit with a local swim team program in the Greater Toronto Area. Progressively develop skills, endurance, stamina, and your competitive edge at Felix's swim schools.